Hello there, I'm Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. Now, ever since the Industrial Revolution, we've been using technology more and more in our daily lives, but often we just take it for granted. We turn on our computer and we just start sending an email. We get out our smartphone and we're straight onto social media. We get a camera and we just take a picture. But there's so many interesting things that are going on in the background to help us achieve these almost now daily common tasks. So the idea here at Gary Explains is that I pull back the curtain and show you how the technology works that we use every single day. Now, when I say technology, I mean almost anything. So we're dealing with desktops and laptops and Chrome OS and Windows and Mac and Linux. And then of course there's networking and there's maths and science. And then there's things like photography and videography, and maybe there's AI and machine learning, and there's home automation, and the list just goes on and on. And the idea is that we will take a look at all these different areas and find out all the fascinating stuff that goes on in our daily technological lives. So my invitation to you is this: stick around, become part of the community, and let's learn together how all this technology works. So I'm Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. You can also share if you want to, and I will see you in my next video.